Hi everyone, I'm Patrick from Meta Earth. I spent over 2 decades in banking and finance, seeing markets rise and fall. Bitcoin is certainly the gold of our digital age and has developed into an institutional asset class, however, with limited access to the public. Recently, markets are moving faster than ever, including cycles, price swings, and typically, wealth ends up in the hands of a few. Is this the future of finance we really wanted? If we look at the history of crypto, this concentration isn't an accident. It's the price paid for a digital gold status. When the markets swing wildly, normal people get scared off and hand the assets over the whales, speculators, and institutions. Whether if it's a proof or work of proof or stake, the logic is always in the same. It's all about who has the most money. The more money or computing power you have, the more you get. At Meta Earth, we respect the past, but we are building for a different future. We're designing an economy in short, not in energy and not in capital, but in the only through matter, proof of humanity. Our tokenomics strive for equality, giving a chance for anyone to access. So here's our approach. We provide a base of equality and incentives for freedom. First, the base. We provide a continuous UBI to every verified MEID. Think of it as your digital passport. It guarantees your perpetual existence in our ecosystem. Second, the incentive. Tokens are minted based on the global population, but for now, most of them are kept in regional zones treasuries. There are no pre-mined whales here. These treasuries are used by nodes to reward bundles growers and innovators. This ensures that while everyone has an equal footing through effort and innovation, still get there to reward they deserve. We have the infrastructure, we have the identity layer, and now we have the economic model. This is fair, this is free, and this is how we build lasting prosperity. Join us, verify your humanity, and let us build a truly fair economy together.